Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure your AirPods Pro 2 and the case have sufficient charge. Low battery can interrupt pairing. Next, unlock your Android and enable Bluetooth in settings so the phone can detect new devices. Once done, open the AirPods case lid and keep it close to the phone. That forces the earbuds into pairing mode. You'll see a device named AirPods Pro appear. That's when you tap to connect and move to the detailed setup. After tapping the AirPods Pro entry, your Android pairs and exchanges profiles that control media and call routing. This is how audio switches correctly between apps. Make sure Bluetooth profile options include both media and call audio so calls use the earbuds automatically. If you want enhanced features like personalized spatial audio or firmware notifications, install a third-party app that supports AirPlay-like features on Android. To finish, customize the press and hold and double tap gestures via your Android's Bluetooth settings or the companion app so controls feel natural. That's why gestures matter for seamless use. Toggle noise cancellation, transparency, and volume to confirm audio behavior across apps. If something goes wrong, like dropouts or misbehaving controls, perform a reset. Put AirPods in case, hold the setup button 15 seconds until the light flashes amber then white, and repair. That reset fixes most connectivity and firmware glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.